Good morning, children. Welcome back to Day Learning Classes. This is your GK period. I hope you all are good. So, students, take out your GK books quickly and open page number 20 in your GK books. आप लोग अपनी GK books में पेज नंबर 20 निकाल लीजिए. Okay. So, first of all, write down today's date and classwork. Classwork, underline it, date, today is 11th 9th 2020. Alright, so our next chapter is fun and leisure. What do you mean by fun? फन का मतलब क्या होता है? फन मीन्स मस्ती, मजाक, and leisure means free time. So the time in which we are free, in which we used to enjoy the things that we love to do, are called leisure time. So fun and leisure. Fun and leisure are the activities which we love to do during our free times. So these are the activities which we love to do in our free time. जब हम लोग फुर्सत में होते हैं, खाली होते हैं, तो हम लोग वो काम करते हैं जो हमें पसंद है. We love to do that. So those activities are called fun and leisure activities which we love to do during our free time. जब हम लोग खाली होते हैं, फुर्सत के टाइम में काम करते हैं जो. So let's start. Can you see this picture? There are various activities these children are doing. बहुत सारे activities हैं जो ये बच्चे कर रहे हैं. So like listening music, playing video game, flying kites, horse riding. So various activities that these children are doing and they love to do that. So we will study what they are doing. Okay. Look at the children. You have to look at the children's given here. The picture diagram that is given to you. They are enjoying their favorite activities. What do they are doing? They are enjoying their favorite activities. The activities that they love to do. वो काम कर रहे हैं जो उनको पसंद है करना. In their free time. अपने free time में, फुर्सत के time में. Fill in the missing letters to say what they are doing. And you have to fill the missing letters. ये जो missing letters हैं आपको fill करने हैं and complete the spellings of what they are doing. जो ये लोग कर रहे हैं. Okay. Number 1. Playing F, then 2 dash are here, then T, B, 2 dash, then L. Number 1 is what the boys are doing. They are playing football. So our answer will be football. Missing letters will be F, double O, T, foot, B, A, double L, ball, football. What they are doing? They are playing football. Okay. Next one, number 2, flying. What this boy is doing? The boy is flying kite. क्या करे? Kite को उड़ा रहा है. So our spelling will be K I T E. E is already written here. K I T E, kite. Students, write only in small letters as the spelling is written in small letters. Small letters में लिखा है तो आप लोग भी small letters में लिखिएगा. Capital और small mix करके मत लिखिएगा. Okay. Write only in small letters. Okay. Number 3, dash riding. Number 3 is this. This is horse riding. The Man is riding horse. So this is called horse riding. HORSE, horse and riding. Horse riding. Number 4, S-A-I-G. What is this? Number 4. Where is number 4? This is number 4. What this boy is doing? The boy is skating. क्या कर रहा है वो? Skating कर रहा है. So our spelling will be SKATING, skating. So the boy is skating. Number 5, playing dash. Where is number 5? This. The boy is playing tennis. This is a tennis. And our spelling will be TENNIS. One N is already written, so our spelling will be TENNIS, tennis. Number 6. Number 6 is this. What this boy is doing? The boy is painting. Painting कर रहा है. So we will write painting here. PAINTING, painting. The boy is painting. So our answer will be painting because we have to complete the spelling. Next one, number 7. This is number 7. The girl is क्या कर रही है? वो स्टोरी रीड कर रही है फ्रॉम द बुक. एक बुक से स्टोरी रीड कर रही है. सो what will be the answer? REA is already written. DING, reading story book. Okay, story book पढ़ रही है. Next, number 8. This is number 8. What this boy is doing? The boy is dancing. वो डांस कर रहा है. So our spelling will be DAN is already written. CING, dancing. Okay. Number 9, playing video. What is this? This boy is playing video game. So we will write games here. Playing video games. GAM is already written. ES, video games. Number 10. What is this? This is the spelling of what this girl is doing. The girl is singing. क्या कर रही है? Singing कर रही है. So our answer will be singing. And the spelling of singing will be SINGING, singing. So we have completed the 10 spellings. Playing football, flying kite, horse riding, skating, playing tennis, painting, reading book, dancing, playing video game, singing. So these are the 10 activities that these children love to do during their leisure time. Alright. So can you say this? This is a poem. Work while you work, play while you play. That is the way to be happy and gay. So this is a poem. Work while you work, play while you play. That is the way to be happy and gay. So your homework is, it's your homework time now. Write down your homework. Homework GK 11th 9th 2020. learn poem given on page number 21. So you have to learn the poem given on page number 21. पेज नंबर 21 में जो पोएम दी गई है वो आपको लर्न करनी है. This is page number 21 and this is poem that we have read just now. You have to learn this poem. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.